Hi everyone! Surprise your mom this Mother's Day with a beautiful handmade rose. In this video, I'll show you how to make an artificial paper rose. To make this rose, you will need red color paper. Start by drawing a spiral and cut it along the edges. Using a toothpick, roll the spiral from the outside edge towards the center. Once you reach the center of the spiral, paste it over the base of the rolled paper. Next, cut out some green paper to make the leaves for the rose. Cover a wooden stick with green paper and paste it to the rose bud. Make a cone using transparent sheet and insert the rosebud into the cone. Paste a bow on the cone. Finally, spray your favorite perfume onto the rose. And that's it. You now have a beautiful artificial rosebud to surprise your mom. Hope your mom likes the gift. Do share your valuable feedback with me. If you find the video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.